How much should you actually spend on a sewing machine servo motor? It's interesting because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive ones. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that balance quality and price. Product number 1, Enduro SM550. The Enduro sewing machine motor caught my eye right away. At $154.95 and an impressive 4.7-star rating from 335 reviews, it seems like a strong contender. If you want a high-torque motor that runs quietly, this is worth a serious look. This kind of power means you can sew through thicker fabrics without any hassle, which is great if you're working on complex projects. And let's not forget, it's designed for energy efficiency, saving you up to 50% on energy costs compared to traditional motors. Plus, installation is a breeze with included mounting hardware and tools. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it up and running, the smooth operation and quiet performance are totally worth it. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for reliability, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're working on various projects and want a motor that delivers consistent power without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, or if you want advanced features that might be overkill for home sewing. Now, if the Enduro's installation process gave you pause, the next motor might make things a lot simpler. Product number 2, Consew CSM 1000. Next up is the genuine Consew CSM 1000 servo sewing machine motor, priced at $144.98 and rated 4.5 stars by 321 users. If you're seeking reliability and ease of use, this could be a great pick. What stands out is its straightforward installation. The servo design means you'll enjoy reduced noise and energy consumption, freeing you up to focus on your sewing rather than the motor's hum. However, some users mention that it may not have as much torque as other options, especially for heavy fabrics. But honestly, for most home sewers or even light industrial use, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you mainly work with standard fabrics, this motor will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable motor that won't break the bank. Skip this if you often deal with very thick materials or need higher torque for your projects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who need a bit more power. Product number 3, Consew Rex 550. Now let's talk about the Consew industrial sewing machine servo motor, which is priced at $188.90 and holds a 4.6-star rating from 169 reviews. If you want something a bit more robust, this is worth considering. The Rex 550 boasts a 550-watt, 3.4 horsepower motor that's designed for serious sewing enthusiasts. The motor is also designed to minimize noise, which means you can sew comfortably without interruption. That's a big plus if you sew for extended periods. However, a few users pointed out that it might be a bit overkill for casual sewing at home. Here's the thing though, if you're planning on doing heavy-duty sewing or working with multiple layers, the power and reliability this motor offers will pay off. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sewing and need a motor that can handle various projects. Skip this if you're just starting out or only sew occasionally, as you might find it more than you need. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4, YEQIN Slow Speed Pulley. The YEQIN industrial sewing machine clutch motor pulley is super affordable at just $8.59, and it holds a solid 4.5-star rating from 292 buyers. If you're looking for a simple yet effective upgrade for your sewing machine, this is worth a look. This pulley fits a variety of industrial sewing machines, allowing you to achieve slower speeds for better control when sewing. This is especially useful if you're working on intricate designs or need precision in your projects. It's made from durable metal, so you know it'll last. But here's the catch. It's a simple pulley, so it won't give you the same level of performance as a full servo motor. If you're only looking to tweak your machine's speed a bit, this could be ideal. But if you need substantial power or features, this won't cut it. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly way to enhance your sewing control. Skip this if you're looking for a complete motor replacement or need more power for heavy-duty sewing. Now, if you're after a high-performance motor that's built for serious use, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5. Consew CSM 3000. Finally, we have the Consew CSM 3000 electric servo motor, priced at $209 and boasting a 4.6-star rating from 142 reviews. If you want the top-tier option for serious sewing, this is it. The CSM 3000 features a powerful 1 HP 750-watt motor that's designed for heavy-duty industrial use. One of its standout features is that it doesn't require a clutch or brake disc, allowing for smooth needle positioning. This is especially crucial when working on intricate projects. However, some users found it a bit pricier than they anticipated. But honestly, the performance and durability you get with this motor make it a worthwhile investment if you're sewing regularly or for a business. This is perfect for you if you're an advanced sewer or run a small sewing business. Skip this if you're just dabbling in sewing, as this level of power might be more than you need. In summary, the Enduro SM550 is great for a quiet, powerful option. The Consew CSM 1000 offers simplicity at a reasonable price. The Consew Rex 550 is robust for serious projects. The YEQIN pulley is a budget-friendly tweak for speed control. And finally, the Consew CSM 3000 stands as the powerhouse for heavy-duty sewing. So to wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable sewing machine servo motor, you have options ranging from budget-friendly to high-performance. It really comes down to your specific needs and how often you plan to sew. Hopefully, this breakdown helps you make a more informed decision.